I'm running so late. It is now 12:56. I was meant to leave about half an hour ago. Oh, Jesus Christ. Using the missus's car today. And she's like 5 foot nothing. So that my knees were on my chest just then. Good old Peugeot 107. Shut up. So, what we got to do? What are we doing today? Today we are going go-karting in Guildford. I'm not sure what the place is called or what it's like. I've never even been karting before. Never mind in like this specific place. We're going with me, Jay, George, the three of us that are going to Europe later in July. And we're meeting up with, well, I think Jay's bringing a guy called Richard, is his friend. Pull off in a second, that didn't work. And George is bringing a girl he knows. I'm not sure what her name is. No, I don't know what her name is. I'll figure it out later. But first, I need to go to the post office because I got some stuff delivered to my house when I wasn't in. But yeah, so I've ordered some stuff for them. That's coming. I ordered a Go pole. I was playing with Benny's Go pole yesterday. I have a go at that, and it's fucking solid. It's so much better than the one I have at the moment. Because the one I have at the moment is just like a little sort of crappy black one for like a £4 off of eBay. Fuck you. But yeah, we'll come back when we've got the post. So we're not going to the post office because they shut at half fucking 12. So I'll get that stuff tomorrow, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, but I don't particularly need it right now. So yeah, off we go. Hey Siri, show me how to get to Farnham.
Waiting on somebody to come through and fuck with me. Put in work and make it up for me. No other bitches, they got none of me. Take your time, no need to rush with me. How could you resist what I got to give? How could you resist what I got to give? Waiting on somebody.
Where the fuck is this place? It's like middle of butt nowhere. The Spotted Cow pub and dine. I think I'm the first one here.
Probably about half an hour away. We just got out of London.
Oh fuck me, alright.
You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Don't sit in your car because they'll probably cancel that table.
Alright, see you in a minute. Bye. So we had a lovely meal, Spotted Cow, me, Yana's her name, I told you I'd get it. Me, Yana, and George are now going to go drive down to the go-karting place. I can't find George's car. George's fancy new car. Needs a fucking clean though. Saying that, so does Aiden's. But yeah, so we're going to drive down now. And I'll come back to you when we get there. Here we go, we're here. I don't know where George and that are.
Mate, Steve's down for his pal, jump yourself in.
Oh, fuck me, they're not in order. Am I being a dick? Oh, it's there. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, that was cute. my knob! Oh, my knob! Fucking hell! You mashed me knobs together! Oh! Come on, NJ! Oh, God! Go! Oh, no! Oh, come on! God! Oh, Jay took it the wrong side! No! No! No way! Oh! 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 Come on! Fuck! Jay, fuck up! No! Fuck you! You're such a cunt. Fucking carnage.
Amazing.
George is cheating. That's why he's getting the best time. He is. He's knocking everyone out of the way.
Damn it.
Oh, beat Yana. I was like, Jay!
Do a man a favour.
Well done.
Alright. We had a good one, didn't we?
That was awesome. So we're not going on again. It was only 2, not 3. But George and Yana are arguing. Explain what you're arguing about.
Yana's been a woman.
Yana.
I have nothing to say to that.